In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contact form on Shopify. Even though this process is actually done through the products area in your Shopify admin, I'll walk you through each click so you can confidently follow along on your own screen. First, start by logging into your Shopify account and heading to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the central control panel for your store, where you manage everything from products and orders to themes and apps. Make sure you're on the home or main admin screen before moving on, just so we're starting from the same place. From your dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This section contains every item you sell in your store. Even if you're focused on editing a form or template, Shopify often connects layout or content changes to specific products, so this is where we need to begin. Once you're inside the products area, you'll see a list of all your existing products. Take a moment to scroll through and find the product you'd like to duplicate. This will be the base that you'll use as a starting point, which is helpful if you already have a layout or settings you like. When you find the right one, click directly on the product name to open its details page. You should now be on the individual product page, where you can see options like title, description, pricing, and media. At the very top of this page, look for the row of buttons that includes View, Share, and More actions. In that same area, you'll see a button labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click on Duplicate there. This tells Shopify that you want to create a copy of the current product, keeping most of its structure and settings. After you click Duplicate, a confirmation window or panel will appear. Here, Shopify asks you to confirm that you really want to create a duplicate of this product. Simply click on Duplicate again to continue. This step helps prevent accidental copies, so always double check that you've selected the correct product before confirming. Next, you'll be taken to the final confirmation screen where you'll see an option labeled Duplicate Product. Click on Duplicate Product to complete the process. Shopify will now create a new product based on the original one. From there, you can safely adjust any settings, content, or related elements, knowing that